Une semaine avant.
Je repars d'accord, rencontrer le général.
Oui,
Je repars d'accord, rencontrer le général, il n'y a pas de problème.
Attention,
Allô?
c'est le procureur.
Allô?
C'est où tu as quitté là-bas?
Allô? Allô? Oui, allô? Oui? Oui?
Non, non, c'est bon. Fermez les...
Mets ça là, la main dans l'enveloppe là, tu vas les compter ça.
Non, non, je ne prends pas. Je ne prends pas.
You to make noise, to make noise. I'm Ali Bongo Ondimba, President of Gabon, and I'm to send a message to all the friends that we have all over the world to tell them to make noise, For the people here have arrested me and my family. My son is somewhere, my wife is in another place, and I'm at the residence. Right now, I'm in the residence, and nothing happening. Nothing is happening. I don't know what's going on. So I'm calling you to make noise, really. I'm thanking you. Thank you. I'm calling you to make noise, really. To make noise, really. To make noise, really.
What? Yeah.